So today I have for you a Van Cleef and Arpels unboxing with sweet Alhambra necklace and carnelian stone. So let's open this box. First of all, I've ordered this on the online on the UK website, but somehow it came from Netherlands. And yeah, so we have envelope here, which we have invoice and return label. Then we have this beautiful white box, and in this beautiful white box, when we open it, we have the rest of stuff. And to be honest, when I was watching the older videos with Van Cleef and Arpels, somehow the boxes, they were huge, but this one is just like my hand. I don't know, you can see it, it's small. It's not as huge as the other ones. So yeah, and that's that kind of packaging. So okay, so let's check what we have inside. And inside we have like a paper bag, travel pouch, and this how it looks like. The funny thing, it's like made in China. And inside there is something like this, so you cannot touch your necklace. It's quite big for like such a small necklace, but yeah, it is what it is. So that's the travel pouch. Next up we have a booklet with care advice services and your and your certificate. So let's see how the certificate looks like. That's the one side of the certificate, and that's the other side of the certificate. Okay, the next thing we have is here, and that's the another booklet, and that's the cloth to clean your jewelry. And oh, that's beautiful. And this is how it's packed, very nicely. So I don't know why, but I don't want to ruin it, so I just open it on the side. It wasn't glued or anything like this, so I can just open like so. And yeah, there we have. This box is really nice and pearly. It's pearl finish. I don't know if you can see it. And it's open like so, so you can easily grab this suede box. Oh. Okay, so let's open it, and there we are. Sweet Alhambra necklace in rose gold and carnelian stone. So the necklace has got like two lengths, so you can just make it like a choker or longer. There is also here some kind of tag. You have like serial number in here. The clasp is really nice and it's easy to use. But the most important thing I would like to notice with this carnelian stone is is see-through. You cannot see it now, but oh, sorry. But indeed, it's see-through. And the fingerprints and any residue and oils are so visible on this stone. So let me, for example, touch the stone with my finger and look what's happened. Everything just stick to the stone because the stone surface is very like flat and polished, so everything just stick to it. So if you by mistake, if you touch it by mistake, everything will gonna stay on the stone. So if you have like bracelet, necklace or wherever, this is like sweet size, so it's small. But if you have the bigger vintage one, it will be extremely visible, which I don't like at all. And I would like to show you also the comparison, like size. So this is like black marker, and this is the size of, maybe I'm just gonna take it like this and show you what's the size. Can you see it? It's extremely small. I think that this line was created for kids, so it's more appropriate for kids. But yeah, that's how small it is. And yeah, that's just like standard marker, which you can just probably have it anywhere in your house. So let's see my nail, which are not the best. I have to redo my nails, but it's really small. Okay, and the last thing I would like to show you is actually, I would like to show you like yellow gold compared to this rose gold. I hope that you will notice the difference. So if you really like the sweet size of this necklace, I would rather go, I think, for mother of pearl instead of any other stone in terms of like this you know, residue which stay on the stone. I think that this stone is actually quite good, and instead of it's quite strong, but still, okay. Hope you're gonna see it. Yeah, okay. So that's the pink gold and yellow gold. That's the mother of pearl I have, and you cannot see actually too much anything on this mother of pearl, you know. It's, even if there is like any fingerprints or anything over there, it's not as visible as, you know, on this carnelian stone. And yeah, that's the rose gold and yellow gold. So in my opinion, it's really pink gold. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. My skin is just slightly pink. It's always like this, and I have like very pink undertone and it's very sensitive, but yeah, this is how it looks like on me, and that's the longest actually setting. So yeah, you can just see it. And that's the second setting, so this is the shortest one, so it's more like choker. And yeah, that's how it presents on my very pale and slightly red pink you know, skin undertone. And I'm not sure, to be honest, that I like the pink gold on me. And yeah, just for references, so you can see how the yellow gold looks on me. And that's the mother of pearl. That's actually a Polish company. I think it was Yes. It was quite nice. Reflect off. And see, when the actually sun will gonna reflect on your stone. I try to catch the oh. See, in this place you can just see the fingerprints. So this is really small size, but if you have like bigger size and you have these fingerprints on your stone, it would not gonna look nice, because you're gonna see everything. And yeah, and to be honest, I've paid 1400 pounds, and in my opinion it's not worth the price. I would rather go for like I like emeralds, so I'll rather go for emeralds with diamonds. I already found one necklace, and there is like a website when you actually can choose the emeralds quality, because very often when you're going to the like high street shop, the emeralds are not good quality. They are very milky, the color is light, and emeralds are more expensive if the color is more deep, like very deep green, and obviously the clarity of the stone is like glass clear, and there is like not too many, you know, inclusions in it. So there is like, I found one website when you actually can choose the quality of the emerald, and it's beautiful. I think it's 1500 pounds, or yeah, something like this, 1500 pounds. Obviously there is like minus 10%, minus 5%, some extra free things, you know, so, but it's always, you can find some kind of promotion, and I think it's more worth it, because it's good. It's round emerald, and around it's like diamond halo, so obviously you got diamonds. And here you have only rose gold and carnelian stone, which is a very cheap stone, and it's basically like 1400 pounds, and the mother of pearl is like 1200 or something. So I think it's just not worth it. I know that it's very big hype on these necklaces now, and Van Cleef, oh my god, the history, but you know, I just count my money, and if I spend so much money on something, I would like to be worth the money. Probably if you sell it, you can get something, you know, around maybe £1000 back for selling it, so you're gonna lose like 400 pounds. But I still think that it's better to choose diamonds and emeralds or sapphires, or whatever gemstone you prefer, you know, the color, over actually cheap carnelian stone, and get the certificate and all those stuff. Like, it's personal preferences, but in my opinion it's not worth it. Like, obviously most of the luxury items are not worth the price, but that's your personal decision on what you would like to spend your money. And in this case, I'm not gonna spend money on this necklace, although I really like it. It's really small, cute, nice, but I will go with diamonds and emeralds. And yeah, hopefully, I'm not sure when I'm gonna order it, probably in 2 months time or something, because I'm just going for holidays now, so like 4 weeks holidays, so I'm not gonna be bothered to order anything. I'm just gonna return this and I'm gonna wait for refund. And yeah, you have like 30 days return policy, and I really like it, don't get me wrong, but I think it's the price definitely not reflect the type of this necklace. If there will be a little bit maybe of diamonds or something, maybe yes, but it's very small, it's very petite, and for me it's no. Maybe if I will have more money to spend and don't bother about the money, maybe I'm gonna keep it, but at the moment I would like to have nice collection of items which are worth the money, and I think I will get more getting emeralds with the diamonds halo, and they're more worth the money than actually this necklace. So okay, thank you for watching. It's almost 17 minutes, so if you are still here, thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video, which probably will be Hermes Constance bag, like long wallet to go or something. So yeah, see you in the next video, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this necklace. Okay, thank you, bye.